Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use calcium nasal spray. First, understand that this medication is often prescribed for conditions like osteoporosis, helping to deliver calcium directly into your system. Proper technique ensures you get the full benefit from each dose, so let's walk through the steps together for effective use. Following these instructions carefully is key to maximizing its efficacy. Before you even think about administering the spray, preparation is crucial. Start by washing your hands thoroughly to maintain hygiene. Next, gently blow your nose to ensure your nasal passages are clear, allowing for better absorption. Finally, if it's a new bottle or hasn't been used in a while, prime the pump by spraying it into the air until you see a fine, consistent mist. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Speaking of fresh starts, quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a simple way to make your daily drive much more pleasant. You can find the link in the description, along with other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the actual administration. Tilt your head slightly forward. This helps the medication reach the right areas. Gently insert the nozzle into one nostril, aiming it slightly away from the center of your nose. Then, press the pump firmly and quickly while sniffing lightly through that nostril. Repeat for the other nostril if directed by your doctor, ensuring you follow dosage instructions. After administering the spray, take a few moments to breathe gently through your mouth. Try to avoid blowing your nose or sniffing hard right away, as this can reduce the medication's effectiveness. Finally, always clean the nozzle with a clean tissue after each use to prevent contamination, and replace the protective cap securely. Proper post-use care maintains hygiene and product integrity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.